Hey everyone, my name is Daniel Christian, and today I am super excited to talk about my workshop at the upcoming EduCon conference. The workshop name is Let's Build a Chatbot Together. Now, are you that person who's familiar with Power Virtual Agents, but now wants to get a deeper understanding on how you build a chatbot, both as a standalone and inside Microsoft Teams? If you are that person, then this is the workshop for you because I'll give you a very deep understanding on how this whole chatbot system works, both as a low code and a no code. And at the end, we will even leverage things such as Power Automate to pull data automatically from another data source, such as a SharePoint list or a Dataverse table. And finally, I highly recommend that you attend this conference because, in addition to my workshop and all these top notch sessions that you get to attend, you will also get the opportunity to network in person, which will help you to grow your company and your own career. So, I hope to see you there. Bye.